Hello everyone, Jay Swaminarayan, Professional Ethics. The subject code is 3150709. So let's discuss in detail what is called Professional Ethics, Semester 5. Unit 3, Ethical Dilemmas, Sources and their resolutions. But in the previous lectures we know what is called ethical dilemma. Ethical dilemma, it is a moral choice. It is a moral choice between two equally unimportant choices. That is called ethical dilemmas. Like, what creates the dilemma in ethical dilemmas? What creates the dilemma in ethical dilemma? But here I would like to tell you, in rest of the cases, what the professional code, what the professional called an ethical dilemma was in the rest of the cases what the professional called an ethical dilemma was a situation in which the ethical course of action was apparent but was blocked by some obstacle. क्यों लॉक हो जाए? Because of some obstacle such as the threat of legal action, an employee's demand or a contractual obligation. Here we are going to discuss the dilemma involved a perceived conflict of ethical principles. The dilemma involved a perceived conflict of ethical principles. Ethical principles की भी बात हो रही है. So we are going to discuss the welfare of the consumer versus the right to privacy. So consumer के welfare के बारे में आप सोच रहे हो versus this differentiate to the right to privacy. So that is the ethical principles कि आप क्या सही करने जाए हो और क्या गलत करने हैं. राइट टू प्राइवेसी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वेलफेयर ऑफ द कंज्यूमर. द साइकोलॉजिस्ट्स were prevented from following an ethically prescribed course of action. There are many psychologists who are going to discuss about the actions by some non-ethical considerations such as contractual obligations, legal requirement or demands of an employer. Such as contractual obligation, legal recruitment और डिमांड्स ऑफ एन एम्प्लॉयर. एम्प्लॉयर की डिमांड क्या है उस हिसाब से आपके डिलेमास होगा. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट डिलेमा इन एथिकल डिलेमास. एथिकल डिलेमास में डिलेमा कैसे आता है. एज परसीव्ड themselves as having more control over the true ethical dilemmas. We have to control over the true ethical dilemmas than over the mixed dilemmas. जो भी mixed dilemmas होता है उसके ऊपर हमें we are going to search on which is the true ethical dilemmas. Results show that there is considerable variation in the way in which professionals become aware that a dilemma exists and in the action that professionals should or can take solve to it. So they are able to solve any problems which come on the path. What is called ethical dilemma example? So here we are going to share one example of ethical dilemma. So taking credit of others' work, it's a bad manners. With the work which you have not done, why we are going to credit of others' work? Because you don't know what is the right and wrong for you. So never ever take credit of other works. Offering a client a worse product for your own profit. आपके खुद के प्रॉफिट के लिए आप ऑफर कर रहे हो क्लाइंट को कि फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट आप खरीदो सर, इसका बेनिफिट ये है, इसका डिस्काउंट ऑल्सो भी ये है. सो नेवर एवर डू दी इफ यू आर गोइंग, if in future if you become a good manager, never ever do this. Just never to think about our own profit. We have to think about others, employees and our company's profit also. Utilizing inside knowledge for your own profit. Utilizing inside knowledge, whatever the knowledge you have about the product for your own profit. बस आपके प्रॉफिट, आपके खुद के प्रॉफिट के लिए ही आप इनसाइड नॉलेज, जो भी प्रोडक्ट का इनसाइड नॉलेज है, इज इट बेनिफिशियल और नॉट, हाउ कम इट विल सर्व और नॉट. सो you not to think about your own profit, you must be aware of the customer's profit also. Some common ethical dilemmas like conflict of interest. Conflict of interest. Here I would like to tell you a situation in which a person, conflict of interest का meaning ये है, a situation in which a person is in a position to derive personal benefit from actions and decisions made in their official capacity. जो भी actions और decision लेते हैं उनकी official capacity में, depends on that. So examples include interviewing friends, only interviewing one grade or those with a specific point of view. Examples include interviewing friends, only interviewing one grade or those with a specific point of view. So never ever interview your own friends. Covering clubs and teams that you are a member of, getting even just to take your decision is just to कितना आप ले रहे हो with those who might have wronged you. पर दूसरों को लग रहा है कि आपकी ये जो टेक्निक है वो गलत है, though you are doing it's a wrong impressions which are making in the market. Plagiarism. Plagiarism, the practice of taking someone else's work or ideas. Plagiarism, it means taking a practice or virtue, the credit of others' work but which you have not done, or ideas. And plagiarism is an act of fault. It is considered as academic dishonesty. It is considered academic dishonesty. Claiming others' work as one's own. दूसरे के वर्क को जाने the work which you have not done, never have the credit of that works. Essentially stealing from them. because उसमें से आप stealing कर रहे हो, it's called plagiarism. You are just stealing from someone's professional work हो या कोई भी action हो, but there is called plagiarism. Students must credit other people's materials and ideas. Students mostly क्या करते हैं कि दूसरे के ideas, materials जो हैं वो credit करते हैं. So yes sir, I have done that, but you only know, yes ये cheating करके पास हुआ हूँ या कैसे अपने आप पास हुआ हूँ. Yeah, this includes borrowing or downloading visuals from the internet to use without permission with others' stories. So this includes borrowing or downloading visuals from the internet. Yeah, आप borrowing करते हो या डाउनलोड इंटरनेट में से कुछ भी कर रहे हो to use without permission with stories, but without permission of anyone else. There is also plagiarism. So borrowing and downloading from internet, it is also called plagiarism without taking a permission. Anonymous and unnamed sources. Although reporters sometimes use anonymous sources, most news organizations have strict guidelines about when to use them. Reporters they use anonymous sources. Most news organizations have strict guidelines about when to use them. कि मैं ये कब यूज़ करूँ, because reporter knows more and more. A reporter has to determine the information's value. He knows the values of the information and uh, when to focus in the market and whether is it possible to get it any other way, या दूसरा कोई रास्ता है इसको हम कहीं से हासिल कर सकें. So a reporter has to determine the information value. So a reporter is one who just not to take, he has to take information of the value, but उसको चांस ना मिले तब तक उसको he or she doesn't have to open in the market. When do you think is it okay to allow a source to remain anonymous? क्या आपको लग रहा है कि एनोनिमस जो है, अननिर्मित जो सोर्सेस है उसको हमें फॉलो करना चाहिए? What creates the dilemma in ethical dilemmas? What creates the dilemma in ethical dilemmas? Abstract. 20 psychologists were interviewed about an ethical dilemma. That जब ethical dilemmas उनको पता चला, उनके हिसाब से according to them, they had found to be particularly difficult to resolve. कि particularly उन्होंने फाइंड आउट किया कि प्रॉब्लम है बट उसका रिजॉल्व करना बहुत मुश्किल है. In just under half of the cases, the dilemma involved a perceived conflict of ethical principles. Dilemma, it involves a perceived conflict of ethical principles. Ethical principles के वो he or she perceived conflict. For example, the welfare of the consumer. कंज्यूमर का वेलफेयर वो आप ले रहे हो अपने क्रेडिट, इज राइट टू द प्राइवेसी and right to the privacy also. In other cases, the psychologists were prevented from following an ethically prescribed course of action. Sometimes a person uses ethically prescribed course of action by some non-ethical consideration. Non-ethical consideration उसे कहेंगे such as contractual obligation, वो contractual obligation हो, आपने बॉन्ड किया हो, करार किया हो, legal recruitment or the demands of an employee. We discuss the implications of these two sorts of dilemmas for psychological practice. We have to discuss the implications of these two sorts of dilemmas for psychological practice. Psychologist practice के लिए we have to select these two sources of dilemmas and make some suggestions for proactive approaches to ethical problem solving. Like sources of ethical behavior. These are the sources of ethical behavior problems. Ethical dilemmas can occur by changes in law, इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम में अगर कोई चेंजेस आए हो, आइडियोलॉजीज में भी चेंज, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी ने इम्प्रूव की, रिलीजियस, कल्चरल एंड सोशल बिलीव्स. दीज आर द सोर्सेज ऑफ एथिकल प्रॉब्लम्स. कि कहाँ से एथिकल प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट होते हैं और उनके ऊपर कैसे डिमांड होती है. कोड ऑफ पर्सनल एथिक्स फॉर एम्प्लॉइज. Code of personal ethics. What is code of ethics for employees? A code of ethics and professional conduct outlines the ethical principles that govern decisions and behavior at a company or organization. A code of ethics and professional conduct outlines, it focuses on the ethical principles It focuses on ethical principles which governs decisions and behavior. वो डिसीजंस आप कैसे ले रहे हो एंड बिहेवियर एट अ कंपनी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. अपनी कंपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आपका बिहेवियर कैसा है, आपका डिसीजंस आप कैसे ले रहे हो, डिपेंड्स ऑन द एथिकल प्रिंसिपल्स. दे गिव जनरल आउटलाइंस ऑफ हाउ एम्प्लॉइज शुड बिहेव. So a person must be aware of his gestures and postures, as well as specific guidance for handling issues like harassment. And also a person must be aware of harassment. जो भी आपको परेशान कर रहा हो, safety rules and regulations, and conflicts of interest. कि आप interest कैसा दे रहे हैं. How to resolving ethical dilemmas. Resolving ethical dilemmas, identify the ethical issues. Okay, what and which are the ethical issues, collect the data informations, frame the issue. You have to frame the issue, consider various options, implement the chosen options. Consider करिए पहले तो various options, implement the chosen options, evaluate process and new program. You have to evaluate the process which you are going to implement, and new program जो भी आप कर रहे हैं उससे एथिकल डिलेमास के प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व हो रहे हैं कि नहीं है. हाउ टू रिजॉल्व एथिकल डिलेमास. स्टेप्स फॉर क्लैरिफाइंग एथिकल डिलेमास. दीज आर द स्टेप्स फॉर हम कैसे एथिकल डिलेमास को क्लैरिफाई कर सकें. रिव्यू ऑल द फैक्ट्स. Whatever happened, you have to review. Identify relevant values and concepts of all parties. Identify relevant values and concepts of all parties. Identify all moral issues of each party. All moral issues of each party. Each party के moral issues को identify करना है. So identify all moral issues of each party. Identify most immediate moral issue facing an individual. Resolve the dilemma by using an ethical system or other means of decision making. Resolve the dilemma by using an ethical system. एथिकल सिस्टम को आप कैसे यूज़ कर रहे हो और अदर मीन्स ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग और अदर डिसीजन आप किस फेवर में हो. Here I am going to conclude by saying before making any decision one needs to be aware of the ethical issues concerned with the business. Ethical issues which are concerned with the business you must have to be aware of. Ethical resolution of conflicts which requires discussion, analysis, problem solving and decision making. Requires discussion, analysis करना है आपको, प्रॉब्लम है तो उसका सॉल्यूशन दे देना है एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस. इन ऑर्डर टू रिजॉल्व एथिकल डिलेमास. एथिकल डिलेमा रिजॉल्व करने के लिए मैनेजर्स नीड टू हैव इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशंस. They have to come together, discuss about the problems, and the more you interact with each other, आपको solution जल्दी मिल जाए. And negotiation skills, conflict resolution skills, and critical thinking. Before making any decision, one has to analyze all the positive and negative consequences. अगर आप कोई भी डिसीजन ले रहे हो, you have to think twice and इसका पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस क्या है विच आर कंसर्न विद द इश्यू. इश्यूज के रिलेटेड वो होंगे ही. सो हियर वी मस्ट टू कीप इन माइंड एंड डू इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, negotiation skills also which are the benefited for you, for your company, and conflict resolution skills, critical thinking, it also helps you. So you have to be take in mind the positive attitude. You have to share with your clients, customers, so at last you can take a proper decisions. Thank you very much, dear all.